You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this Brazilian footballer, currently with Manchester United. If you want to learn more names from football, stay tuned. Many are confusing. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this video. So the Brazilian Portuguese pronunciation first, and then how you can easily say it in English. Brazilian Portuguese, Matheus Cunha. Cunha. The NH essentially is more like GN. It's a ny sound. Matheus Cunha. Therefore, in English, you can simply say it as Matheus Cunha. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.